In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an ER diagram in a visual paradigm. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Diagram up top, and you want to click on New. From here, you want to look for ER diagram, which is called also Entity Relationship Diagram. So type in Entity, there we go, click on it, click on Next, bottom right, and then you have two options. You could either start from a blank canvas, so from scratch, or you could use any of these various templates you can basically have to kind of make your process easier. So if you choose any of these, like for example this inventory system, you can click on Next and then give it a name or description, press OK, and it's going to generate in your template, which you can then completely customize. You can move things around, you can change them, you could go and of course add different things here from the left, etc. You can do whatever you want with it. However, if you want to start from scratch, AI will also be able to help you with that. You could go to Diagram, New, and then click on it again, press Next, and then blank. And from here, click on Next again. You can give it a name. I'm just going to leave it like that. Press OK. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to say AI diagram generation, which is, of course, optional. You could click on Generate, and you could give it the topic for your entity relationship diagram. So for this instance, as an example, I'm just going to type in Student Course Registration System. And if I click on OK, AI is actually going to do the heavy lifting for me, and it's going to generate me an AI diagram, which is again completely customizable, which is great. So you'll see it in a few seconds. Usually it's very quick. You'll have your diagram, which you can then go and customize. You can move it around. You can add different things on here from the left. There's a bunch of different things that can happen. Okay, there we go. As you can see, we now have our student course registration diagram just like that. It's totally generated using AI within just a few seconds. I can move things around, I can change them, I could go and add different things on here like views, entities. I could go and of course do stored procedures. There's a bunch of things you can do in here, but essentially that's how you do it. Of course, if you want to start from scratch, you're perfectly fine to do that as well. You can just use this left menu here, and you can go and basically start putting entities, like views. You can put on sequences. There's a bunch of things you could do, like relationships over here. You could put them all on here just by click and drags, and that way you can then just essentially create your own diagram, which of course you begun from scratch with. Now, if you want to kind of get some help, you could also use like any of the AI tools available nowadays. They're going to help you with kind of the ideation, how to create things, stuff like that. But that's essentially all the ways to create an ER diagram inside our visual paradigm. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.